Money Saving Minute number 043, Summer Snack Savings. Summer is here, and what better on a hot summer day than a delicious frozen treat? Well, that would be a frozen treat that doesn't break the bank or your daily calorie count. Instead of buying expensive, high-calorie ice cream bars, why not try this? Start by making your own sugar-free instant pudding using skim milk. Pour the pudding into a blender, add your favorite fruit, and blend. Spoon into pop molds and freeze. The pudding provides protein and calcium, while the fruit adds the vitamins to the mix. Good for the body, easy on the wallet, and very tasty. This money-saving minute has been brought to you by Team Warzon. Choosing the right loan starts with choosing the right loan officers. Kip Warzon and Dan Dowlin are your full-service Wisconsin loan officers offering more loan products than your average bank. For all of your home loan needs and questions, please contact Team Warzon.